Hello, welcome to Dragon Eat. Today I'll be making roasted chicken. I have some chicken thighs and drumsticks here. The first thing I'm gonna do is to trim off the extra skin. This is a very simple recipe, and a roasted chicken is not particular to Chinese cuisine. In almost every cuisine on the planet, there is a recipe for it. The differences usually comes from the spices used in the marinade and the type of oven used to roast the chicken, but the overall spirit of all roasted chicken is very much similar. Now that my chicken is all trimmed, let's start the marinade. I'm adding some Chinese cooking wine and some soy sauce first, and these two ingredients are what makes it Chinese. For the spices, I'm using rosemary, paprika, ginger powder, and white pepper, and some salt. You can use any spice you have on hand or any spice you like. This is really where you can execute the maximum to your own preference. Let's give it a good mix. And I'm gonna let this sit in the fridge overnight. My chicken has been in the fridge overnight. Now let me take them out and put them on a piece of roasting plate. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and roast for 35 minutes to 45 minutes until the chicken is fully cooked and the skin is crispy. My chicken is fully cooked, it looks gorgeous, and it smells amazing. Let me take a piece out and I cannot wait to dig in. This is already very flavorful as it is because of all the spices we put into the marinade. But if you want to bring the flavor even up a notch, you can add more spices on top of it. I'm really happy today, so I'm gonna add some black pepper, some Chinese chili powder, and some sesame on top. This is gonna be so delicious. Let me cut a piece for you. The skin is so crispy, and the meat is so tender and juicy and flavorful. Try this recipe out this weekend. I'm sure you'll love it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time here. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell so you never miss a video in the future. I have a lot of amazing, authentic Chinese home cooking recipes coming up. Please stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.